Guys, you're gonna love this one. We're doing a McDonald's McGriddle casserole. All right, let's go. Get those sausages all fried up. Maple sausage, big deal. Get the maple sausage. I'm gonna lay in our cooked sausage. These are the maple sausage links. I suggest you get the maple sausage links. And this is 2 packages of 8, I believe. Yeah, 8. And we're gonna kind of stagger them a little bit so every bite has a little bit of sausage in it. I guess I could have cut these up, but I didn't. So sue me. Whisk up them eggs. Now we got our 6 eggs that we whisked up. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to them, just a pinch of salt, get it mixed up. Okay, and we're just gonna pour it over the top. Look at that, guys. I know you're thinking like, what the hell is going on? But guys, if you love a McGriddle, you're gonna love this casserole. And y'all, we're using American cheese straight out of the plastic. I know I'm gonna get hate in the comments, but if we're doing the McGriddle like McDonald's, they use American cheese. So we're gonna use American cheese too. Last one. Right, we got our other 9 pancakes, and we're gonna push these in. Okay. Make sure they're all in one place. I want to add a few more pancakes in there. Right about there, 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 and there. All right, we got sufficient pancake coverage. Before we get the other half of our eggs in, obviously we're gonna add a little syrup to this. Whatever syrup you have works. But between the maple sausage and the maple syrup, we got our McGriddle. Now that's looking too good, guys. Now we're gonna add the other half of our eggs on. So this is it's about a dozen eggs in this dish. If you got bigger eggs, then you don't really need to have all a dozen in there, but you pretty much want to have it come all the way to the top. Last thing, we got a little cheddar cheese to go over the top. Yeah, just makes it look, you know, you can crisp up those edges a little bit, brown up that cheese on top. Just makes it a little bit more appetizing. It's about a cup's worth, give or take. Just spread it out. Okay. All right, y'all, we're gonna get our beautiful McGriddle casserole in the oven, 350, about 30 minutes. You want those eggs to cook all the way through, right? All right, be nice and sweet and savory. All right, let's get this in the oven. Looking golden brown and lovely on there. This is done. Let's pull it out and let it cool down. The little pancakes are kind of toasted on top, so we're gonna add a little different texture in there. Don't eat this right now. It'll burn your face off. I can feel the heat running off of it. The heat's running through my towels here. I'm doing this because I'm dumb and I just want to show you. I'll burn myself for you guys. Don't worry about it. But we'll let this cool down and we'll check on it in a minute. All right, y'all, time to cut a little slice of heaven out of this. Get a little, cut it down the sides too. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. Steamy, still hot. Beautiful. Guys, that is beautiful. The cheese is melty and all creamy inside. Guys, we gotta get a bite. But one last thing, you gotta give it a little drizzle of syrup. Oh yeah, babe, look at that. Y'all, we gotta get a bite of this. Oh, guys, it's still hot, still steaming, but dude, pancakes, breakfast sausage, eggs, cheese. There ain't much more you need out of this. Guys, cheers. It's gonna be hot. Just know it. Try this. It's so dang good. Sometimes you just gotta pat yourself on the back on the cook, and this is one of them. This is what I'm gonna call the McCasserole, baby, because it's better than the McGriddle. And you can do it at home, save you a little bit of cash. What can I say? You know it's good, baby.